Sri Syam Lodge, cool, comfort, safe and best. Near Agarsen Bhavan, Balaji Colony, Khetrajpur, Sambalpur. Here, AC room, non-AC room, dormitory facility available in reasonable rate. Decorate your home and office with Sri Glass Emporium. Deals with engineering, etching, glass shower, cubicles, spites, glazing, showroom order. Visit Sri Glass Emporium, Agarsen Marg, Khetrajpur, Sambalpur. स्वाद और सेहत का प्रतीक एन ब्रांड, प्रीमियम क्वालिटी एन ब्रांड 100% प्योर सरबती आटा और बेसन, ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ भारत फ्लावर मिल, खेतराजपुर, संबलपुर। जिला स्तरीय वर्कशॉप का हुआ आयोजन।
Program is organized by Sankor District Skill Committee, which is under the Sankor Skill Acquisition and Knowledge Awareness for Livelihood Promotion. This type of program is taken up, and Odisha Skill Development Authority is there in Odisha, who is taking up different type of skill programs. And central government is also taking up different type of skill programs for its different schemes. So now the project problem is that how we can place the trained candidates in our local industries, and that to be sensitized everywhere, and we must be aware about the
स्थानीय युवकों में स्किल डेवलपमेंट तथा स्थानीय शिक्षित युवकों को इंडस्ट्रियों में रोजगार दिए जाने के उद्देश्य से एक जिला स्तरीय वर्कशॉप का आयोजन किया गया। स्थानीय तपस्विनी हॉल में हुए इस सेमिनार में जिलापाल श्री शुभम सक्सेना मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित थे। इस अवसर पर विभिन्न इंडस्ट्रियों के वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण एवं बैंक के वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण भी मंचासीन थे।
so that we can make a great contribution to our society, to our local economy, which will ultimately lead to our growth of national income, GDP, etc. And MSME is a priority sector now by the government to absorb the unemployed youths, the skill trained youths in a bigger scale, so that our economy, local economy, our national economy, our per capita income will grow. So this is the basic motto of the program. So I don't want to prolong it. Now I would request
on the process of conducting the skill gap study in each of the districts of Odisha, and that is being also conducted throughout India. As you know, the industry and MSME faces a lot of problems, financial problem crisis, like infrastructural crisis, and one of the crises is not getting the right manpower for the right industry. And for that purpose, what needs to be done is we must understand what the industry requires, what type of personnel or what type of workforce the industry immediately requires for employment. And we need to create that potential in the particular locality. That is highly required. So to understand that gap and to mitigate the problems of MSME and industry, this workshop is being done. Now I will elaborate on these points. In my later session, I have a 1 hour session in the later hours. Now I conclude here with
start their own enterprises, small enterprises. So all those things will be elaborated in the letter, the paper will be presented. For the time being, actually, we are not giving employment to the skilled people because there are some constraints with us. We have to employ the land houses. So, but anyway, whatever we are doing, that will be highlighted, and that may be of some help to others. Thank you.
A forum for the participation of all the resources which are needed for a development under MSME sectors. What not here? The district administration is here, banker is here, resource persons like the training there, DIC's person there, those who are to elevate the process and the of so many aspects of MSME which will develop this district also, although it has been done in the basis of the district's level, but it has implication for elsewhere also. As a banker, I have been attending so many meetings with our district collector sir. I have seen his keen interest with us also that when we are going to present our cases or regarding this government sponsored scheme, he has very, very keen interest in the matter. I very appreciate his actions in the meeting also. He also takes very good interest to facilitate the process of bankers. So we are, the banker community, we are also very thankful to our district administration also, and also the other government machineries that I have seen in other places working in different parts of India. But here I feel that I feel very homely with the government personnel, those who are participating, coming to the meetings, and they have all very great interest.
So why not become the employer? That is the aim of these kind of workshops, and that is we have reached to that level of economic maturity where you see when economy matures, you will find less jobs which would be directly engagement, or which would be kind of you will get government employment. So why not we provide the those skill set which are required for the modern economy, so that people would be self-employed or would be employed, but with the certain skill sets, so that they can progress and the economy could also progress. For example, we are coming up with many schemes where self-employment and employment with the certain skill set is required. So we are coming up with suppose I will give one example. 2 days back we were talking about the cage culture in Hirapur. So that is a
स्वाद और सेहत का प्रतीक एन ब्रांड, प्रीमियम क्वालिटी एन ब्रांड 100% प्योर सरबती आटा और बेसन, ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ भारत फ्लावर मिल, खेतराजपुर, संबलपुर. Decorate your home and office with Sri Glass Emporium. Deals with engineering, etching, glass shower, cubicles, spites, glazing. Showroom order visit Sri Glass Emporium, Agarsen Marg, Khetrajpur, Sambalpur. Sri Shyam Lodge, cool, comfort, safe and best. Near Agarsen Bhavan, Balaji Colony, Khetrajpur, Sambalpur. Here AC room, non-AC room, dormitory facility available in reasonable rate.